This is what you see when I'm filming. This is what you don't see.
I'm still the loneliest boy in the studio tonight.
So before I get going, thought I'd do a little bit of cleanup, and yeah.
Look at Shmoxd.
Okay, so the studio is a mess. I've never shown you a tour, partly because it always is a mess. But I am super grateful to have the space. It's part of the Utah Art Alliance, which is a program that has a bunch of like resources for artists and like affordable.
Sorry, I can't be in this spot.
Okay, so creates like affordable resources and facilities and workshops for artists so that if you want to learn something you can and then have the tools. My buddy Jonathan hooked it up fat, and that's the whole reason I have a space here. The whole purpose of this video is to say why I missed last month's video. I've been so consistent. I've released 2 videos a month for the past, I don't even know how long. But I released a brand. I just want to share like the things I'm most excited about this. One being kind of the meaning behind the tagline, the little things. The story goes, I was down, I wasn't feeling great, blah, blah, blah. I was in a bad place. And I'm like, let's practice gratitude. And so I set up some visual markers in my life. One being this tag that's all over Salt Lake that says Zoot. And like every time I see that, I'm gonna like think of things that I'm grateful for and start looking for more things. Where I like practice them, where I look for things, I started writing down in my little notes on my phone, like little things that aren't little. The more I did it, the more I realized how important those things were. And I started kind of just appreciating, you know, my life more. I feel like that feels so dramatic. But whatever, that's true. And things got better. That's kind of what I want these rings to be for you, is like a visual marker and reminder to look for the little things. It's funny how one thing leads to another. The whole reason I'm here, this space ties into the little things. I got kicked out of my old space. I call this guy named Jonathan. He shows me around, ends up being like this perfect place. Jonathan, if you see this, you're the man. Yeah, so I want to kind of show you the things I'm excited about with the branding and the products, and I'll go do that on the table. One of the funnest things about creating this brand was doing all the design work and also working with my friends to get these pictures. This is the hand ring. This is the most favorited product or merch that I've ever put out. I feel like this could be a springboard to like...
Here's what you say. You have a lot of projects and dreams you're trying to fulfill, and you hope that this project will be a start to getting the rest of them done.
With everything I make, I love adding little Easter eggs, little secrets. So there's a false bottom with a secret sticker and a secret store that you can get to with that QR code. Only in the box with the hand rings. Everything else comes in this little pouch, and with the rings, they're all stamped with the number they're created. So like 1 out of however many, this is number 420. And so the secret or angel numbers, so like your 111s, 222s, come with another little secret. With all the packages, I'm also sending out a sample of my perfume that I made. I feel like people are more stoked about this than the rings they get, which is kind of funny, but I love it. And it smells so good. Scent number 111. We have a little hug ring. I like this guy. Whenever I need a little hug, I can just look down at my hands, see I got a little hug. I like wearing it on the inside, so from the front, it looks like a normal ring, and then on the inside, it looks like a little hug. Next, we got the OK ring, and it's adjustable. All the rings are adjustable, including the hand ring, although the hand ring the metal's a little thicker, so it's harder to adjust, so that's nice. We got the big hug ring, which I'm wearing right now. It's one of my favorite rings. And like I said, I like to wear it flipped around so that it looks like a normal ring from the outside, and then from the inside, whoomp. Little hug. Pinky promise ring, this one's cool. You can make the little pinkies lock, or you can have them separated so they fit bigger finger. Made little stickers, and those go out with every package, but also if you get a ring sizer, you get an extra sticker. The code to get the ring sizer is the little things, no spaces. You can get a free ring sizer. It's pretty easy to tell what size you are. You just put it in whatever's like comfortable, and you can still pull it on and off. That's your ring size. I've had the shop open for a couple weeks now. Super grateful for the response, for the brand, and for all the rings and the perfume. I got enough stuff that I thought was gonna last like supplies till summer, but I think we're gonna sell out in March in some of the rings. So super stoked on that. And sorry for missing last month's videos. It's gonna go on like normal programming. I'll have 2 videos coming out next day or so, and I'll continue putting out 2 videos a month at the end of the month, with some other videos probably sprinkled in the month. That's the game plan. I'll probably do a price jump on the rings. The price will go up in the middle of March. Just a heads up. Okay, love you lots. Something to tackle the future. That's my storage room. It's an absolute disaster. This is where I'm supposed to be doing fulfillment. The rings, oops. I got all those sizes there and whatnot. All right, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah,